Good morning, T-Wolves. I'm Lucas.
And I'm Marjorie.
And this is T-Wolf TV for Tuesday, March 31st. Come and join the THS Ballroom Dance Team. Auditions will be held this Thursday, April 2nd, right after school in the dance room. You will be taught a simple dance sequence. Your dance ability is only one of the areas we consider. Your work ethic and great attitude are even more important. Ballroom Dance Team will be held during A4 next year. If A4 doesn't fit your schedule, you may also sign up for ballroom dance class during B6 next year. See Coach Young in room 220 or Coach Jay Young in the dance room for more information.
I've been lost many times before. I've searched my world looking for something more. And I've been hurt by countless unaware words, pretending they protect me from the pain that they brought me first. And sometimes I wonder why I'm still standing here, when it seems much easier to just disappear. But there's more than what I feel right now. I have so much to give in this life I live. There's more than what I see in my reflection. And even though I make mistakes, I get a new chance each day. I choose to stay.
Seniors, the deadline for the Murphy Scholarship is today. Turn in your application to Mrs. Ship in the counseling office.
Today is the final day to order AP tests.
The TH Drama Department presents the senior-directed one acts. They'll be performing tonight in the auditorium at 7 p.m. Admissions is $2, and don't miss the show.
I'm the greatest hitter in the world! Strike one. I'm the greatest hitter in the world! Strike two. I'm the greatest hitter in the world! Strike three. Wow! I'm the greatest pitcher in the world! Yes!
Optimism. Pass it on. A message from the Foundation for a Better Life.
If you ordered graduation announcements from Jostens and haven't picked them up yet, please do so. They are in the finance office with Freddie.
Good luck to spring sport teams this afternoon. Girls golf is at the Glendale Golf Course. JV and varsity softball travel to Skyline. JV and varsity baseball play Skyline at home. And boys JV and varsity soccer take on Skyline at THS. And boys tennis plays Orem here at home. Something for everyone. Come out and back and support the teams. Go T-Wolves. For T-Wolf TV, this is Marjorie.
And this is Lucas. See ya!
Trying to dim every single spark that could hurt, that could burn all of me. Like a soldier on the battle